Ever wondered if that plane ticket to Fiji is secretly more expensive than you think? Planning a trip abroad is exciting. New cultures, stunning sights, delicious food, the possibilities are endless. But hold on a minute. What about those pesky fees that can creep up and turn your dream vacation into a budget nightmare? If you're a Commonwealth Bank, Commbank, customer venturing overseas, you might be wondering, does Commbank have international fees? The short answer, yes, but it depends on how you use your accounts and cards. Let's dive deeper and unpack those international charges so you can avoid any surprises and travel smarter. Using your Commbank card overseas. There are two main types of international fees you'll encounter: international transaction fees and ATM withdrawal fees. International transaction fee. This is a percentage, 3.5%, charged by Commbank every time you use your card overseas to make a purchase, even in Australian dollars, on websites that process payments internationally. So, that cool souvenir from a seemingly local online store might come with a hidden fee. Ouch! ATM withdrawal fee. This applies when you take out cash from an ATM abroad. Commbank charges a flat fee of $3, but there's a catch: the ATM itself might also charge you a withdrawal fee. This can vary depending on the ATM provider, so be sure to check the screen before you complete the transaction. Ways to minimize international fees with Commbank. Now that we've established the not-so-fun fees, here are some ways to be a savvy traveler and minimize the financial sting. Travel with a Commbank card that offers no international transaction fees. Commbank offers certain credit cards, like the Commbank Neo or Ultimate Awards, that waive this fee. Do your research and consider applying for a travel-friendly card before your trip. Inform Commbank about your travel plans. Let them know where and when you'll be traveling. This helps prevent your card from getting blocked due to suspicious activity notices. Look for ATMs with the MasterCard or Visa logo. These networks often have partnerships with local banks, which might reduce or eliminate their withdrawal fees. Consider using a travel money card. Preload this card with your travel funds and avoid the international transaction fees altogether. Just be mindful of any reload fees or ATM withdrawal charges associated with the card. International money transfers, IMTs, with Commbank. Moving money internationally? Commbank charges vary depending on the transfer method and currency involved. Here's a quick breakdown. Netbank or Commbank app transfers with currency conversion, no fee. This is a good option for sending money in foreign currency to friends or family. Netbank or Commbank app transfers in AUD, no currency conversion, a $30 fee applies. Foreign currency account transfers, no fee if transferring from the same currency account, e.g., sending USD from your USD account. However, there's an additional fee for same currency transfers using Combiz or a branch. Correspondent bank charges. These are fees charged by intermediary banks involved in the transfer process. Commbank usually absorbs these for cross-currency transfers, except Japanese yen, initiated via Netbank, Commbank app, or in-branch. Remember, these are just general guidelines. Always check Commbank's website or app for the latest fee schedule and specific details regarding your transfer situation. Travel insurance. Consider getting travel insurance that covers unexpected events like lost luggage or medical emergencies. Peace of mind is priceless, especially when you're far from home. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy travels.